We start with some breaking news from poll-bound West Bengal. New trouble for TMC before the visit of Mamata Banerjee in Nandigram that can be seen. Some posters have been found at various places with a note. Nandigram wants Mednipur's own son, not any outsiders. TMC is now alleging against BJP behind these posters, and BJP, however, denying the same, that they have any role to play as far as these posters are concerned. So certainly a controversy once again right ahead of Mamata Banerjee's Nandigram visit. Remember, she is reaching Nandigram today. She will be interacting with some of the party workers this afternoon. Tomorrow is when she will be filing her nomination papers. But some posters that have resurfaced in various places with a note that Nandigram wants Mednipur's own son and not any outsider. Piyush, my colleague, is joining us with more details on the same. Piyush, what are these posters all about? What do they look like? Take us through the note that is, being highlighted in these posters, and of course the war of words that is taking place now.
Well, absolutely, indeed. The war of words have now taken place because these posters have surfaced there in Nandigram, and this is once again telling us the kind of a fight which is, now going on there in West Bengal of insider versus outsider. We know that since beginning, TMC has been saying that BJP is a party of outsiders, and after that, we have seen many insiders of TMC itself. They joined BJP, and after that, this notion continued, where TMC continued to say that BJP is a party of outsiders. Home Minister Amit Shah and many top leaders of BJP have been telling them that if BJP forms its government, the chief minister will be a Bengali Manus. But this fight is now again taking place in Nandigram. Remember, that's the very place from where Mamata Banerjee will be contesting, and Shubhendu Adhikari will be contesting against her. Mamata Banerjee is all set to file a nomination, and Shubhendu will be filing a nomination on 12th of March. And remember that this place has now become the most interesting place as far as West Bengal politics is concerned. A couple of days back itself, Mamata Banerjee had announced 291 candidates and 3 for GJM, and in that announcement she had herself announced that she would be contesting from Nandigram and only from one seat. Initially she was also to contest from 2 seats, and now she's contesting from only 1 seat from Nandigram, and Shubhendu will be contesting against her from BJP. At that time itself, the BJP had raised questions as to why she's now contesting from only 1 seat. Initially, she was saying that she will be contesting from 2 seats, but TMC is now, giving back to BJP by saying that it is now accepting the challenge of BJP, that it is very much ready to win from Nandigram. At the time, BJP had also mentioned about the fact that if it was not about Shubhendu Adhikari or any other candidate, any other leader of BJP would have been given ticket from Nandigram. Even in that case, also Mamata Banerjee would have been defeated by huge margin. But now that place, Nandigram, has now become the high-stake seat, where we are also now seeing the posters coming out, where this fight of insider versus outsiders is now taking peak. We'll have to now wait and watch as to how BJP is again going to react. But BJP believes that if it forms its government in the state of West Bengal, the Bengali Manus will become the chief minister there.
Piyush, what's interesting is that the ruling TMC has been taking the outsider jibe at the BJP ever since BJP started with its campaign in the poll-bound state, with top BJP guns being fielded for the campaign. Each and every time TMC, raised that issue of the outsider controversy. But now, as far as these posters are concerned, certainly these posters taking a jibe at Mamata Banerjee, calling her the outsider instead. What is the BJP saying as far as this latest controversy is concerned? Have they distanced themselves from it?
Well, if we talk about BJP now, these posters have come out where the BJP is now trying to tell to voters there that Mamata Banerjee is outside, and that's because initially she was all set to contest from Bhawanipur, and now her close aide would be contesting from Bhawanipur, and that's her best and also. But she has now taken up the challenge of BJP, and she is now going to contest from Nandigram, and that's why these posters have surfaced where Mamata Banerjee is now being called outsider. We'll have to wait and watch as to how TMC is also going to to react on this. But indeed, it has now become very interesting to see as to how BJP is now taking up its fight. But as far as Nandigram is concerned, Mamata Banerjee is also to file nomination, and then Shubhendu will be filing nomination on 12th of March. And before that, these posters have surfaced where BJP is trying to send out a message that Mamata Banerjee is not from Nandigram and she is coming there. She is, looking forward to contest from Nandigram, but she is an outsider. She is not.
As far as the BJP is concerned, Piyush, remember how when Mamata Banerjee hinted at the possibility of fighting from 2 seats, BJP said if she's extremely confident of emerging victorious, why does she have to have a backup seat? And now also hitting out at the fact that she abandoned her Bhawanipur seat for Nandigram just to challenge Suvendu Adhikari, which the BJP is confident she will lose. We leave it at that, Piyush, for the moment. Thank you.